Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update for Sunday 13th of March. And if you guys are interested in trading course, you guys can check this trading course out there. The link is in the description of this video, and I've put in a lot of hours and for creating this content for you so that you can learn how to trade the way I do. Now here we are with SLP. So what's the current situation with SLP? Now yesterday I did talk about this descending triangle. Now the problem with descending triangle, guys, is that these are actually not bullish, and they're bearish. And as far as I see things, as far as I would hate to admit, this is actually a continuation descending triangle. It's a continuation of a downtrend. Actually, it's not positive, it's negative. Okay, there's an N in here, but I'm a little bit doubtful, okay, that this, instead of a descending triangle, maybe what we're putting in is like a falling wedge. Okay, maybe perhaps this is not a descending triangle, but it seems like a falling wedge, which is a bullish pattern. Okay, actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on the line, because the line is gonna filter it out. Yes, this is not a descending triangle, it's actually a falling wedge. Look at that. The line actually made it way more clear. Just look at this. I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna connect the dots like this one. And this apex is coming in by nearly let's say up to 21 of March. So you have time until 21 of March to actually, come down a little bit here and then pop up, and you're gonna go back to where you found that wedge. So this, because of the line, okay, the line just filtered out everything, so it doesn't look like a descending triangle anymore. So my bad here. Yesterday, I think, my view can be wrong as well. So actually you're making a falling wedge, you're not making a descending triangle. Sorry, that, and this is a bullish pattern. Okay, and this means that there's accumulation going on. People are buying SLP right now, coming into the end of the apex, and you're going to shoot to the upside, in my opinion. So this is basically my take on SLP and yesterday's view about the descending triangle. Or if this is a descending triangle, guys, then I'm gonna tell you what the technical target is gonna be. Okay, so you're gonna take this top to the bottom right there, and this is where you're breaking out. Then you're actually gonna come all the way down to the 0.0131. Okay, so in my opinion, on the line, based on how I turned out the graphical lines right there, this is a bullish pattern that is known as a falling wedge, and it's nothing to be scared of. This, in my opinion, does look like a falling wedge, because let's connect the dots. Actually, the reason why it's a falling wedge, and it does even qualify to be a falling wedge, is because we don't consider the wicks normally. Normally the wicks are not really given any importance like that. So the body is what we count. First body there, second body here, nearly another body we're getting right here. You could still come down a little bit more to the 60s, and then you pop to the upside, go to the 21 levels, and that would be a nice, good, amazing trade opportunity from there to there, like 31%. Okay, so is it gonna be a falling wedge? Hopefully, I'm really hoping that it does become a falling wedge rather than a descending triangle. So that's a very simple, short, quick update. Yeah, this is a falling wedge, guys, not a descending triangle. Yeah, I'm getting even more confident that it's a falling wedge, because why not, man? After breaking out like this after a very long time, why would you want to keep going on down, man? Why would you want to keep going down? It could go down. I mean, it can go down. It can be cheesy and go down. But this is descending triangle. Like, this was a real descending. Do you see that? This and the body. Look at the body counts there. That was really a descending triangle. But the body here are not like, if you start to count the body, then this one is falling like this. It's not straight. It's falling wedge. It is falling wedge, guys. So that's a good news for you. Really, really a good news. And hopefully I'm not proven wrong, and 21 is my target. So 30% pump is due in the next coming future for SLP. And yep, this coin, I don't think it's going to disappoint this time. So people were thinking it's going to disappoint think again. So that's it for this quick update. And guys, if you want to take the technical analysis course the way I'm doing this, you can always come here. Please, the link is in the description of the video. I just want you to come and play this video and look at the contents that you're about to learn and the hours that I've put in to teach you every single thing, so that the next time you can win a trade at least. So it's discounted. It's a one-time buy purchase, and you're gonna keep forever and ever, and you can watch it and learn whenever you want to learn, in your own smartphones, in your own computers, whatever you want to do, guys. So that's it for the update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.